everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am going to be showing you several different Valentine's Day mini albums over the next couple of days. These are mini albums I have made. There are going to be some tutorials listed on my site. If there is a tutorial, I'll put it in the description box. All of these mini albums are listed in my Etsy shop at this point, although they may sell because they may be on sale when you're watching this video. So if you're interested in purchasing these, check out the links in the description box, which will take you right to my Etsy shop or right to the tutorial of the specific albums. They are all different shapes and sizes. I have from a very loaded large mini album to one that's not necessarily Valentine's Day, but could be trip, vacation, whatever, shabby chicish. And then I have some gnome mini albums. I have some accordion albums. I have Cupid albums. I have vintage. So over the next couple of videos, you're going to see quite an assortment of different albums. So I hope you'll join along with me. And for now, let's check out today's mini album. This is a 7x7 mini album, and there are 6 signatures in here. The cover has a bike with some flowers in the basket, and there's this cute little detail. There's it looks like lace, and around the lace is a little letter, and next to the letter are a couple of other letters tucked in, and then there's another letter, and that says "Be Mine and Love You." The detailing shows some metallic red foil underneath that Happy Valentine's Day, and the Valentine's is got the red foil as well, so that really brings it out. There's a little red foil heart there. Oops. This cute little cupcake goes inside the pocket, and that's a great spot to put a photo or cards or whatever you have. So this will open like that, and this comes out to give you a beautiful place to put photos. And isn't that pretty? So that'll close like that. This pocket has some glitter on it. And then this is sort of a metallic photo mat. There's an embossed heart in there, and that goes inside the pocket. And here is a beautiful jar filled with flowers, and that is on the side of the photo mat. So there's room to journal and to put your photos, or you can journal on both sides if you want. And the metallic red matches the striped paper there. Some more glitter paper, and that coincides with the glitter detail of the hearts on this page. There's some tic-tac-toe boards and 3 in a row with hearts, and a little sticker with an arrow going through to match the arrows on that tic-tac-toe page. And there is our hidden photo mat. And here we've got another pocket. It says "Be Mine" with some cookie hearts. And there's the photo mat there. Another little detail on there. And a nice bright pink photo mat to really accentuate the colors in here. Now this is held in, all of these, with a magnet, so it stays in place. It doesn't flop. Here is "Be Mine" and a photo mat. Another heart detail there. And there's our hidden photo mat for that page. "Be My Valentine" with a nice bright pink photo mat. We've got all these loves in different fonts. And there is the photo mat, but here we've got an extra detail with the flap there. So that all stays together nicely. On the last page, we've got this gorgeous heart paper, and there is a photo mat. And that is a jar with the hearts coming out of it. And that closes like that. There's the back page. And there we go. So there is the bicycle Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications and like this video. I will list the Etsy shop location of this if you are interested in purchasing this mini album. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.